I'm Chad Ash, and this is the Glacier line of Grape Solar AC/DC refrigerator freezers. We produce these in chest style and uprights. These are the chest style. 1.1 cubic foot with a double removable basket. And digital controls, they'll go down to -10 degrees Fahrenheit. And then the big one down here is our 2.75 cubic foot model. Also goes down to -10 degrees and has side-by-side removable baskets. Nice and deep. This will hold a deboned black-tailed deer if you're a hunter. Retail on these is $5.55 and $6.99, and that's the Grape Solar Glaciers.